Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to share with you a fun recipe using cranberry sauce, but not in the traditional way. This cranberry fluff salad is great as a side dish for your Thanksgiving dinner or even as a dessert. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 1 can of whole berry cranberry sauce, 1 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple, 2 cups of mini marshmallows, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, and 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts. First, use a stand mixer or a hand mixer to whip the heavy cream until stiff peaks form. In a small bowl, lightly beat the softened cream cheese. Then add the sugar and beat together until smooth. Gently fold the cream cheese mixture into the whipped cream. In a separate bowl, add the cranberry sauce and the can of drained crushed pineapple and mix together. Add the cranberry mixture to the whipped cream and gently stir to combine. And finally, stir in the mini marshmallows and the chopped walnuts, then refrigerate for at least 1 hour before serving. I hope you like this cranberry fluff salad as much as I do. The full recipe is in the description below, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Make sure that you have subscribed if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.